All right, guys, it's Zach and Ryan back for another National Call Night, and I've been waiting all year for this thing, Ryan.
Guys, if you don't feel the energy through the camera, I can feel my skin. I got goosebumps. Listen, what's great about this event is that we get to step into the room and move the needle forward in our business. We have live loan officers. There are agents right now literally getting clients on the phone and passing them over to a live loan officer and getting them pre-approved. How does it get better than that?
But Ryan, say less, man. Say less. You got to be here. And if you missed this event, you surely missed out, because we had John Marone, one of the most accredited speakers, teach these agents on the spot exactly what it needs to be done to get people on the phone and get them converted to actual dollars. You're actually on the phones making money. So if you missed this National Call Night, don't worry, because we're coming back for another one.
You know what, Zach? Stop talking, guys. You know what? What better way than to show you? Come on.
Come on,
Step in.